Send the next trailer to Bay 3. We have a full load here. Copy that, moving now.
Utilizing advanced instruments, our scientists perform meticulous moisture analysis and contamination testing to ensure only the
We're seeing a slight uptick in rejects on lane 4.
Rerunning the calibration sequence now.
The vacuum de-aeration chambers remove microscopic air bubbles, significantly improving the texture and shelf stability of the peanut butter.
Automated heating jackets and precision temperature control systems maintain the ideal filling consistency.
Tension looks good on this one. Yeah, the top wrap sealed perfectly.
In this fully automated distribution hub, robotic and high-speed shuttle.
This seamless transition from logistics to retail ensures maximum efficiency, keeping our premium products perfectly organized and always in stock.
Do you like the pancakes, Habibti?
I love them, Mama. It's so good.
Pass the peanut butter when you're done.
we have a green light on the Asia Pac manifest.
Copy that, confirming slot time.